Auto body paint prep doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. Today, we will show you how Presta Scuff Stuff makes removing waxes and sealants, prepping bumper covers, and preparing blend panels as easy as 1, 2, 3. Presta Scuff Stuff is an industry-leading scuffing gel that also works as a cleaning agent and produces the ideal surface for maximum paint adhesion. To apply Scuff Stuff, you'll need a gray scuff pad and a spray bottle of clean water. Start by applying 1 ounce of Scuff Stuff to the application surface, then spray the area with clean water. Using the gray scuff pad, evenly spread the gel and sand the application area until a noticeable foam covers it entirely. When properly applied, Scuff Stuff creates a clean, ready-to-paint surface, sanded to the equivalent of P800. Scuff Stuff provides a long working window and lasts 60% longer than competitive products. Once you are through sanding, spray the surface with clean water to remove the product. When the product is no longer visible, dry the area with a clean cloth. After drying, inspect the application area to ensure all imperfections have been removed. If the application area is smooth, you can now apply paint. Learn more about Presta Scuff Stuff and speed up your paint prep process by contacting your Presta automotive distributor or visiting prestaproducts.com.